Bright Duty. Every student matters.
With that, we move on to the fourth topic. Now here we look at food crops other than food grains. In the earlier topic, we looked at food grains. Okay, now we look at other crops which are food crops, but they're not food grains. So the first one is sugarcane. Now sugarcane is the main source of sugar, the sugar that we take when we make tea, right? If we have to add sweetness in our dishes, we add sugar. And we also use wood sometimes in place of sugar, or it's also called jaggery. So that is also made, or that comes from the crop sugarcane. Okay. Khan sari and molasses are other products or other things which we get from sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world after Brazil. So Brazil is the country which has the largest production of sugarcane. After Brazil, India is the second largest country or second largest producer of sugarcane. Okay. Now sugarcane is cultivated in subtropical as well as tropical areas. Okay. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Now let's see the conditions that are required for its cultivation. Sugarcane grows very well in hot and humid climate with temperature ranging between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and with annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Now, while cultivating sugarcane, if the area receives low rainfall, then irrigation is required. Okay. This crop requires manual labor from sowing to harvesting. So it is labor intensive cultivation. Okay. It can be grown on variety of soil. It is an annual crop. Okay. The next crop is oil seeds. Now oil seed in India, India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. Okay, groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soybean, cotton seeds, linseed, castor seeds, and sunflower seeds are the major oil seeds that produce oil. Okay, most of these are edible. They can be consumed. They can be eaten. Edible means eaten, consumed, okay, and are used as a cooking medium. They are used for cooking, okay, but some of them are used as raw materials for the production of soap, cosmetics, shampoos, etc. and ointments, okay, some medicine, balm. Now let's see where groundnut is cultivated. So the states where groundnut is cultivated, they are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Almost 85% of the national production of groundnut comes from these states. So you see these states play a major role in the overall production of groundnut in our country. The second one is sesame. Where is it grown? It's grown in the states of Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now sesame seed is grown as kharif crop in North India and as rabi crop in South India. Okay. Castor seed is grown in the states of Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, etc. These are the major producers of castor seed. The castor seed is grown both as kharif as well as rabi crop. The mustard seeds are produced or cultivated in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. It's mainly grown as rabi crop. The last one is linseed. It is grown in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. Okay. Now let's look at the conditions required for the oil seeds cultivation. Different oil seeds are grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. So 12% of the area which is used for the cultivation of crops, 12% of it is used for the cultivation of oil seeds. Okay. We know that groundnut is a kharif crop. Mustard and linseed, they are rabi crops. Sesame is kharif crop in the north but rabi crop in the south. Castor seeds, they are grown both as rabi as well as kharif crops. Okay. The next one is tea. Now tea is main beverage crop. Tea is known as beverage crop. Okay. India is a leading producer and exporter of tea in the world. It produces, it cultivates, and it also exports this crop. Okay. Now beverage means drinks, right? So we use this crop to make drinks. We drink tea, right? That's why it's called beverage crop. Now tea is cultivated in Assam, hills of Darjeeling in this and Jalpaiguri districts of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. These are the major areas where tea is produced. It's also cultivated in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh and Tripura. Now tea plant or the crop grows very well in tropical as well as subtropical climates. The soil has to be fertile, deep, well drained and rich in humus and organic matter. Okay. The tea thrives very well or it grows very well in hot and humid climate. The perfect temperature required for the cultivation of tea is 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and the annual rainfall should range between 150 centimeter to 300 centimeter. High humidity and frequent showers or frequent rain evenly distributed throughout the year are excellent for the rapid development of the tender leaves of this crop. Okay. Tea bushes thrive very well in moist and warm frost-free climate throughout the year. If the climate is moist and warm without any frost, then the tea bushes, they thrive very well. Tea is a labor-intensive crop, which means lot of workers are required for its cultivation. Okay, and tea is processed within the tea estates to retain its freshness. So, whenever there is a tea plantation or tea is cultivated in an area, then that area also includes its processing facility or a factory where it is processed. This is done because the freshness of the tea is retained. If the factory is built somewhere far away from the tea estate or the plantation, then the freshness does not remain intact. Okay. Tea cultivation is an example of plantation agriculture and it was introduced initially in our country by the British. The present day plantations, however, are owned by the Indians. They are no longer owned by the British. Alright. The next crop is coffee. Just like tea, coffee is also another important beverage crop in our country. Coffee is grown and it is used for consumption as drinks. Okay, we drink coffee. Indian coffee is known for its quality and is hence in great demand all over the world. It's not only in demand within a country but as well as all over the world. As a result of this, it is exported to other countries which bring handsome amounts of foreign exchange. It helps in the economy, in the growth of the economy of our country. India produces 4% of the world's coffee production. Okay. The variety produced in India is the Arabica variety, which was initially brought from Yemen, a country. Okay. Now, coffee is cultivated in the Nilgiri hills in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For the cultivation of coffee, it requires hot and humid climatic conditions. It thrives very well, it grows very well in areas with temperature between 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius and rainfall ranging between 50 centimeter and 200 centimeter. Now let us look at horticulture crops. India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables. So you can understand horticulture crops include fruits and vegetables. Alright. And India, our country, is the second largest producer of horticulture crops. It produces tropical as well as temperate fruits. So the fruits are cultivated in both tropical and temperate areas. Almost 13% of world's vegetables are produced in India. Okay, it leads the world in the production of peas and cauliflower, is second in the world in the cultivation and production of onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and fourth in the world in potato production. Mangoes in our country are cultivated in the areas in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges are cultivated in the states of Nagpur and Meghalaya, in Nagpur and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. Bananas are grown in Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and the state of Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava are grown in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Pineapple in Meghalaya, grapes in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Apples, pears, apricots and walnuts in the states of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. And cashew nuts in the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.